Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the multi-smoothed moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the multi-smoothed moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 28 different strategies, with 6 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 402 indicators, with a total of 165 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 165 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. All right, so today's indicator is the multi-smoothed moving average. You can see it here on screen. The setup on this is pretty easy. This indicator actually gives us buy and sell signals, and you can see those flags or tags here on screen. Let's see if maybe we can go in and turn off the rest of this indicator real quick here, just so that way we're left with just the tags. Okay, there we go. All right, that makes it a little bit easier to see. Basically, like I said, we have these buy and sell tags here. When we get a sell tag, we're going to go short. When we get a buy tag, we are going to go long. So pretty simple. Let's see here. So we pick up a buy over here on this side. Let's play it forward just a little bit here. And that one does pretty good. Gets us to take profit pretty nicely there. Continue forward here with this just a little bit here. All right, we pick up a sell right here on that one there. Looks like that one's going to get us to take profit as well. So far, we're doing pretty good with this one. Doesn't seem to give us a lot of signals in a year's time. All right, pick up a buy right there. Play it forward a little bit. Unfortunately, that one is going to get us stopped out. Let me pick up a sell right there on that one. Not sure if we quite got to take profit. Let's see. 135 is the stop. Looks like we barely stay within the stop, and we do barely get to take profit. Moving forward here, and looks like that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. All right, so before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to the Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you will get access to the Patreon only channel, where we're posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. As I said at the beginning of the video, you will get the full list of indicators that we test updated every single week. Shows exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. Another cool thing that I've been doing recently is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we've tested as well. And so I pass that on to all the patrons every single week. Updated list of the strategies shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Another awesome thing is that on our channel, our admins and our regular members are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They were growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And so a lot of good benefits to becoming a patron, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. And so super cheap, highly recommend it, very good stuff. Back to the indicator here. So pretty clear picture that we have there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 winners. So a decent indicator there. I definitely wish it gave us more signals in a year's time. That's probably the one downfall, is that it doesn't give hardly I wouldn't say hardly any, but doesn't give a lot of signals. 5 in 1 year is yeah, very shy. So but this one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.